Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Ads Keyword Planner for SEO content planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. If you already have a Google account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials and log into your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account, click on Start Now and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Keyword Planner. You will see two options: discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. In the search box, enter topics or phrases related to your niche. Click on the Get Results button to see keyword suggestions. Review the list of keywords alongside their search volumes and competition levels. Use filters to narrow down your results by location, language, or date range if necessary. Take note of keywords that have a high search volume and low competition. You can add these keywords to your campaign by clicking on the checkbox next to each keyword. Once you've selected keywords, click the Add to Plan button. Now you can export your keyword list for easy reference. To do this, click on the download icon and choose your preferred format. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application for easy access. Review your keyword list and prioritize based on relevance. Integrate these keywords into your SEO content strategy. Ensure that your content naturally incorporates these keywords for optimal SEO performance. Regularly revisit Keyword Planner to adjust your strategy as trends change. With these steps, you can effectively connect Google Ads Keyword Planner to enhance your SEO planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.